to Chins with a Z. Here on Chins with a Z, me, Chin 1, and the other Chin, Chin 2, who you'll see later on, are joining together to form Chins with a Z. Chins with a Z is about me and Chin 2 doing stuff for Chins. But we've got a secret to this. The way we make our chins look so freaky like this is a little thing called magic. They're really just special effects and stuff, so we use that to make our chins go dodgy, and there's going to be a few series of this, so we hope you enjoy, and please subscribe and leave comments.